Hello everyone, today in this video I'm going to show you how to find any decision maker's personal phone number for free. Okay, so basically you're going to log into LinkedIn. Here's my LinkedIn profile, and now you're just going to search up Apollo extension. So you can go Apollo extension and it will lead to this. Just click on here. It's free, okay? You also just need a free Apollo account, so you can go and do that as well. It takes about a minute to sign up. You're going to download this, okay? Once you download the Apollo extension, you're just going to go back to LinkedIn, and basically, I have the extension here, pin that to my Chrome. Hey guys, if you run a B2B company and are looking to fill up your pipeline on a strictly pay-per-show basis, you can do that over at impactleadgen.io. I'll put a link down in the description of the video so you can learn more there. Back to the video. You're going to click on this. Alright, it's enabled. I'm just going to refresh real quick. Click on it. Where'd it go? Okay, so now I can go and find somebody's, let's just go here. Alright, and now whenever I find the person's profile, this little extension should pop up. I can just click on it and it will have this person's contact information. So I just click access email and phone, boom. And it's going to generate. It's going to take a second. Don't worry, Rajiv. I am going to blur out your actual phone number. It's going to say click to refresh. Boom. I just have personal phone number, and the other one is probably office or work number is my guess. So right there, you can go dial in their phone number, WhatsApp them, whatever you need to do to get in contact with them. And yeah, hopefully this helped. And if it did, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll keep doing these videos. And yeah, till next time. Peace.